You can't improve what you don't measure. Most traders keep no journal at all. They trade, they win, they lose, they forget. The next week, they make the same mistakes. They never improve because they never record what happened. Some traders keep a journal, but they track the wrong things. They write down entries and exits. They track wins and losses, but they don't track why the entry worked or failed. They don't track why the exit was good or bad. They're measuring noise instead of signal. Professional traders measure everything. They track their edge. They use that data to improve. And now with Claude AI, you can analyze your journal automatically and find patterns you'd never see manually. In this video, I'm showing you exactly what to track, how to calculate your real performance metrics, and how to use Claude AI to analyze your trading journal and find your edge. This is how traders go from improving slowly to improving fast. Your trading journal should track 3 categories. Category 1, trade setup information. You need to record entry price and time, initial stop loss price, initial profit target, risk reward ratio of the trade, why you entered, what setup triggered you. This is foundational, but it's not enough. Category 2, trade execution. You need to record, did you follow your plan? Yes/no. How many contracts/shares? Did you panic exit? Yes/no. Did you hold too long? Yes/no. Actual exit price and time. Actual profit or loss. This tells you whether you executed your plan. Category 3, quality scoring. Here's where most traders miss. After each trade, score it. Entry quality 1 to 10. Was the entry at a good spot? Or was it mediocre? Exit quality 1 to 10. Did you maximize the win or did you leave money on the table? Plan execution 1 to 10. Did you follow your rules or did you improvise? Overall trade quality, average of the 3 scores above. Over 100 trades, you'll have 100 quality scores. That's your performance trend. Example, you take 10 trades this week. Entry quality averages 7 out of 10, exit quality averages 6 out of 10, plan execution averages 8 out of 10, overall score 7 out of 10. That's above average execution. Next week, your scores improve. 7.5, 7, 8.5. You're getting better. Here's the critical insight. Win rate and win/loss ratio are not the same thing. Win rate is simple. What percent of your trades are winners? If you take 10 trades and 6 are winners, your win rate is 60%. But win/loss ratio is different. How much do you make on winners versus how much you lose on losers? Here's the insight. You can be profitable with a 40% win rate if your wins are big enough. So tracking just win rate is misleading. You need to track win/loss ratio. That's your real edge. Professional traders aim for minimum 2 to 1 win-loss ratio worth any win rate. Ideally 3 to 1 or better. Highly profitable. With a 50% win rate and 2 to 1 ratio, you double your money. Track both metrics. They tell different stories. Now, here's where Claude AI becomes your competitive advantage. Instead of manually calculating your metrics, you paste your journal into Claude and ask it to analyze patterns. Example analysis. You paste 10 trades with entries, exits, win/loss, and quality scores. You ask Claude, analyze my trading patterns. What's my real edge? Where am I strong? Where do I fail? Claude instantly tells you win/loss ratio 2.3 to 1. Strong. Win rate 55% above average. Entry quality average 7.2 over 10. Good. Exit quality average 5.8 over 10. Weakness found. Your biggest strength, you enter at high probability spots. Your biggest weakness, you exit too early and leave money on the table. Before Claude, this analysis took hours. Now it takes 30 seconds. Better yet, Claude can identify patterns you'd never see. You perform better on ES than NQ. One market is your edge. Your morning trades outperform afternoon trades. You trade better on trending days than choppy days. Your win rate drops 15% after a losing streak. Psychology issue. These patterns are gold. They tell you exactly where to focus your improvement. Then Claude recommends focus on exit quality. Your entries are solid. Fix your exits and your profitability jumps 30 to 50%. Your edge is the thing you do better than 90% of traders. For some traders, the edge is I'm great at identifying support/resistance bounces in ES during the first hour. For others, I'm great at scaling out of winners and letting them run. For others, I'm great at risk management and rarely give back big wins. Your edge might not be entry. It might not be exit. It might be psychology. You don't panic. You follow the plan. You execute discipline. How do you find your edge? Journaling plus Claude AI analysis. You look at your best performing trades. What do they have in common? Same market, same time of day, same setup type, same entry quality, same exit approach. Claude can spot these patterns in seconds across 100 trades. Once you identify your edge, you build your entire system around it. If your edge is, I'm great at early morning ES breakouts, then you focus on ES. You trade mainly 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. You specialize in breakout setups. Your win rate might be 70% in that context. Professional traders don't try to be good at everything. They find their edge and exploit it. Journaling reveals the edge. Claude AI analysis accelerates the discovery. Journaling is the bridge between trading and improving. It's how you go from guessing to knowing. It's how you find what works and do more of it. Videos 11 to 15 cover the psychology that separates consistent winners from everyone else. Because once you know your edge, the next question is, can you execute it with discipline? If you need specific Claude prompts for this video, look at the pinned comments. I wish you all the best in your trading journey. And if you are an advanced trader, keep looking for new updates at OrisTrade.com. We are building something great.